The DSR-130p, an integral part of Sony's new digital processing, production and post-production system solution. At last, a camera that is compatible with all systems and suits all the needs of video professionals. Designed with you in mind.
Oh! Ah! Sorry about that, you guys.
You're having one of those days. Sony's new digital system has features that allow you to deal with problems no other system can. Dynamic range of the image has been greatly extended thanks to the digital circuits processing. When the luminance level is on a conventional camera, colors distort, causing this model's cheeks to turn yellow. With True Eye processing, RGB signals are adjusted digitally for best luminance, saturation and hue without chroma distortion. It used to be that fine details of shading were blurred and darkened in bright, contrasty lighting. Digital processing allows small peaks of the signal to be retained. Tone adjustments used to be a task only specialized engineers could deal with. The DXC D30p does it for you. When you activate the skin detail function and press the set button, it will soften only the skin tone areas in the image.
Oh!
Don't worry. The new power HAD CCDs won't smear the way conventional IT CCDs do. Of course, the DXC D30p kept innovations incorporated into the DXC 637p.
Uh-oh, blew a fuse.
Such as hypergain. The camera discerns colors even where the naked eye can't. Of course, there are some things you still have to control yourself.
Ah! Oh. What was that?
The DXC D30p is smart. Sony has made it possible to shoot continuously under varying brightness conditions. In low light, TLCS raises video gain to brighten the image. Under normal illumination, the intelligent auto iris is activated. And when lighting is too intense, the auto exposure increases the electronic shutter speed to lower the brightness. At last, there's a professional camera that allows you to shoot continuously in varying temperature lighting, with auto trace white balance, outdoors and in. The DSR-130p has one feature you've never seen before. You can do a match cut using the new freeze mix function. An image from the tape can be frozen in black and white and overlapped on the current image to adjust framing to match the previous image. Use it to recreate scenes from a moment ago or ages ago. Although the DXC D30p camera is designed for the DSR-1p digital recorder, it will also improve the performance of Betacam SP or Hi-8 recording and docks easily with either digital or analog backs. You can also use analog cameras such as the DXC 637p with a DSR-1p back. Connecting the two is really quite easy. And there is no need for an adapter. There are easy-to-see tally lights in the large eyepiece. And menu items can be selected with ease. You can choose which items you want displayed during shooting. You or your staff can also see the menu items on a monitor attached to the monitor out connector on the camera. A new feature of the DSR-1p VTR is timecode display during playback, and you don't need a playback adapter. You can even record timecode burn onto another tape on the spot. The DSR 130p set is reliable. Plus, if any problem arises, it will display a warning message when you power up. Check the display. Nothing showing means everything's okay as usual. One secret of the enormous flexibility of the new Sony DVCAM system is this Pro Digital video cassette with a built-in memory and special section for recording setup and shooting data. You can shoot 40 minutes of beautiful images on the mini cassette, no need for an adapter, and 3 hours with the large cassette. Yes, it can be used in the DSR 1P. In addition, the DSR 1P features CD quality audio recording. The DXE D30p has a new setup file function. You can easily set up the camera even after someone else has used it and changed settings, and you can do it right from the tape. Setup of several cameras at the same location is a cinch. Just use the tape to copy the data from one camera's user file to set up the others. Clip link is what puts Sony's DVCAM system way above its rivals. It makes shooting and editing easier and efficient.
Take 9.
You know all the scenes you shot but couldn't use?
It's for you.
Well, Clip Link is the ideal way to deal with them.
Hello.
Every time you press the record or take button of the camera, the first image is frozen onto the tape, along with relevant data. Up to 198 of these index pictures can be stored. You have a choice of 2 modes. In Q mode, up to 394 frame-accurate points are stored every time you press the take button. This is great when shooting on the fly. Clip Link logs it all. You can find the last shot easily during editing. How? Stay tuned. At other times, you will find Mark Mode to be ideal. In-point and out-point data are stored for 198 cuts, each time you press the take button during recording. But that's not all. There's an NG button for takes that are no good. Use it whenever you know the bit you just shot isn't worth keeping. You can then copy your tape directly to hard disk using Sony's DSR 85p DVCAM editing recorder and ES7 non-linear edit station. The best part is, it's already logged with index photos and data, and NG scenes you designate are not even copied. The DXE D30p camera is a wise investment for your present and future needs. Combined with the DSR 1P VTR, you have the best portable professional video set available. So don't let those little production problems get to you. You can handle them with ease with DVCAM.